Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build image galleries in Obsidian using a simple, reliable workflow. By the end, you'll have a clean system where you can store images in a dedicated folder and display them inside a note using Obsidian's built-in linking system. No plugins, no extra setup, just a structure that stays easy to maintain over time. Start by opening Obsidian and selecting the vault where you want your gallery to live. This matters because everything we do depends on links resolving correctly inside the same vault. It's also helpful to keep your File Explorer visible so you can see your folder structure as you work. Next, create a new folder for your gallery images. Give it a clear and meaningful name like Gallery, Portfolio, or something tied to your project. The goal is instant recognition later when your vault grows and you're managing many folders at once. This folder will act as the central storage location for everything in your gallery. Now, right-click the folder and choose Show in System Explorer. This opens your computer's file manager directly inside that folder, which is much faster than importing files one by one through Obsidian. It also makes bulk dragging and organizing much easier. Drag and drop your images into this folder. PNG and JPG formats work best for most use cases. While doing this, try to keep your file names clean and descriptive. Instead of something like img_001, use names like homepagedesign.jpg or productshot1.jpg. This small habit makes linking inside Obsidian significantly faster and reduces mistakes later. Once your images are in place, return to Obsidian and create a new note. This note will act as your gallery page, the place where everything is assembled and displayed. You can place it anywhere in your vault as long as it stays within the same vault as your images. Inside the note, start building your gallery using Obsidian's WikiLink system. Type double square brackets, and Obsidian will immediately open an autocomplete menu showing files in your vault. Begin typing the name of your image, then select it from the list to insert a direct link. Repeat this process for each image you want in your gallery, placing one link per line. This keeps things organized and easy to scan. If your gallery starts to grow, you can separate sections using simple headings like Drafts, Final Designs, or Inspiration to keep everything structured. You can also reorder images at any time by moving the link lines up or down in the note. This gives you flexibility without touching the actual files in your folder. If you want to make it more readable, you can add short captions above or below each link image with normal text. Switch to Reading View to preview your gallery. Depending on your settings, Obsidian may show image previews directly or display clickable links that open the files. Either way, everything remains fully connected to the original images stored in your folder. From here, you can refine your setup further. You might expand it into multiple gallery notes, group images by project, or duplicate the structure as a template for future work. If something doesn't display correctly, always double-check the file name or confirm the image is still inside the correct folder. And that's it. You created a dedicated image folder, added your files, and built a structured gallery note using Obsidian's linking system. It's lightweight, flexible, and scales easily as your collection grows. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next one.